Thank you for your interest in this property. If this property doesn't interest you, we can show you any property listed with any company. Immaculate Baxter home in great location near new elementary school. Open floor plan, new appliances, new roof, 3 bedrooms, walk-in closet and master bedroom, hardwood and tile floors, walk-in tile shower, lots of storage, attached, insulated and heated 3-stall garage, walkout basement, 0.53 acre fenced-in yard, in-ground sprinkler system, located on cul-de-sac. The seller's meticulous attention to detail will have you falling in love with this home.